are you worried though that there is a exodus from your party? A number of leaders of your party have left. People like Muzaffar Beg is amongst the most prominent, but there's been so many people leaving. Doesn't that worry you?
Let me tell you the results. We fought lesser number of seats than National Conference and we got very good results, almost 30 seats. So that means all the leaders who have left, they have left alone. The cadre, our cadre is still there. They are still working very hard. They are still with the vision of Mufti Saab. They are still with the agenda of PDP. So I think new blood is coming into our party. Old people have left. I mean, I say good luck to them. So I'm not really bothered about them, because the results that came yesterday are very encouraging, and they are very encouraging as a whole for the PAGD, but especially encouraging for PDP, जिसकी obituary कई बार इन लोगों ने लिख दी थी, खत्म हो गई, बिल्कुल तबाह हो गया, PDP में कोई नहीं रहेगा. See what is happening here in Jammu and Kashmir, not in Jammu and Kashmir, all through the country. This constitution is being replaced by BJP's agenda. They have gone bankrupt. They don't have anything to sell to people now.
Yes.
So they are using they are misusing constitution, and they are implementing their agenda. यहाँ जम्मू कश्मीर में जब भी किसी को पकड़ के लेते हैं, I would call it abduction. I won't say कि वो इनको arrest करते हैं, because it is abduction. They don't, they are not summoned any other law. They say ऊपर से order आया है. Constitution is being replaced by ऊपर से order. I don't know ऊपर से constitution से ऊपर कौन है हमारा?
No, but Mehbooba ji, the fact is that this is a party that you did ally with. You're in alliance, you're in government with them.
I think you must be knowing my father. He was a great politician, a great statesman. I said he burned his hands, he joined hands with the devil for a larger cause, for a larger interest. He thought that Vajpayee had started a political process in Jammu and Kashmir. Since Modi ji also swears by Insaniyat, Jamhuriyat and Kashmiriyat, he will be able to take Modi ji on the same path that Vajpayee went as far as Jammu Kashmir is concerned. My father thought that, he will be able to protect the special position of Jammu and Kashmir. That's what we put in our agenda of alliance ki 370 के साथ हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे, कि जम्मू कश्मीर की स्पेशल पोजीशन को बचाने के लिए, पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस को आगे चलाने के लिए हमने उस आदमी के साथ हाथ मिलाया जिसको मेजॉरिटी मिली, और जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना पूरे मुल्क का, खाली जम्मू कश्मीर का भी उसमें हाथ था कि जम्मू कश्मीर का भी वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना. जम्मू से भी उनको 3 सीटें मिली. तो मुफ्ती साहब ने मोदी के साथ नहीं हाथ मिलाया. ही जॉइन हैंड्स विद द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया facilitate the resolution of Kashmir problem.
No, was it for that, or as some
Article 370?
But was it for that? Because
sorry.
No, was it for reconciliation, or was it as now Omar Abdullah, who's now of course your alliance, as part of the Gupkar coalition? He says this was an opportunistic alliance. It was done only for power.
My father tried to engage BJP through alliance. Otherwise my father could have become chief minister even allying with Congress. Even Umar Abdullah offered his support to us at that point of time. What could have stopped my father from becoming the chief minister if he just wanted to be the chief minister? He wanted to engage them through his alliance. He wanted to tell them that, look here, Jammu Kashmir saw a golden period when my father was their chief minister from 2002 to 2005.
Right.
And thanks to Vajpayee, he did a great job. So he wanted to continue with that. Otherwise तो और क्या था? जो हमारे एजेंडा ऑफ अलायंस था उसमें 370 था, उसमें एस्पा का रेवोकेशन था, उसमें पाकिस्तान के साथ बातचीत थी, उसमें हुर्रियत के साथ बातचीत थी, उसमें दूसरे रास्ते खोलने की बात. All our self-rule agenda was in that. So we did enter into an alliance on our terms, not on their terms.
Okay.
We said nothing doing with 370. They agreed. They agreed to each and everything. But after the government fell, they did what they wanted to do.